Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! English, Grade 3, Term 1, Week 1, Day 4. Topics: identifying high-frequency words, using polite greetings and common expressions, understanding the problem and solution in stories, recognizing pronouns and their functions, using demonstrative pronouns correctly, and retelling stories in your own words. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Learning objectives. 1. Recognize and read grade 3 level appropriate sight words found in the story. 2. Identify who or what in the sentence, what action they are doing, and when, where, or how they are doing it. 3. Arrange words in the correct order to make meaningful and simple sentences. 4. Use correct capitalization at the beginning of sentences and proper punctuation at the end. 5. Read CVCC words with patterns like SK, LP, CT, FT, RK accurately and automatically. 6. Read words correctly to understand their meaning based on word patterns. 7. Write CVCC words legibly and correctly according to their patterns. 8. Explain how objects, activities, or natural events in the story can be explained by science. I remember our adventure through Gardens of Wawa Dam Myth yesterday. It was a lot of fun doing the activities that brought our learning to life. Have you seen clean rivers? What about dirty ones? Which one do you like and why? Clean and dirty rivers. Clean river, the water is clear and clean. We can see the stones and fish. There is no trash or pollution. Plants and animals are healthy. It is safe for people to use. Dirty river. The water is dirty and muddy. There is trash and pollution. It smells bad. It is harmful to plants and animals. It is not safe for people to use. How about the lessons on sight words and correct punctuation? What are sight words? Why is it important to pronounce words correctly? Sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are words we see often in reading and writing. We know them by sight. We remember them without sounding them out. Examples of sight words: the, and, a, to, in, is, you, it, of, that, he, was. Why are they important? They help us read faster, understand better, and become confident readers. Correct punctuation. What is punctuation? Punctuation marks help us understand what someone is saying or writing. They show when to stop, pause, ask, or show feeling. Common punctuation marks. Period. Used at the end of a sentence. I like apples. Question mark. Used at the end of a question. Do you like apples? Exclamation mark. Used to show strong feeling or surprise. Wow, that's so fun! Comma. Used to separate words in a list or in a sentence. I have a pen, a book, and an eraser. Why is it important to pronounce words correctly? Pronouncing words correctly helps us, first, be easily understood. People can understand what we say. Second, read better. It helps us read smoothly and with confidence. Third, communicate well. Good pronunciation helps us talk and make friends. Fourth, succeed in life. It helps us in school, at work, and in everyday life. Practice every day. Learn sight words, use punctuation, and pronounce words correctly. You can do it. Today, you will practice reading grade 3 level appropriate sight words from the story. You will identify the subject and action in each sentence and determine when, where, or how the action is taking place. Then, you will also rearrange words to form meaningful simple sentences, making sure to use proper capitalization and punctuation. You will also work on reading and writing words with CVCC pattern like SK, LP, CT, FT, RK accurately and neatly. Let us all read it together. As I read, look for words that you know by sight, like the, and, is, you, and that. These are words we see a lot, so it is good to know them briefly. Let us see how many sight words we can find. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Let's answer. 1. Dark. Lacking light, opposite of bright. 2. Fact. A piece of information that is true or can be proven. 3. Felt. A strong emotion or perception. 4. Gift. A present, any material or immaterial items given to someone without expecting payment. 5. Task. A job assignment to be completed. 1. Underline sentences that show scientific methods. Guardians of Wawa Dam selected sentences. They discovered villagers thoughtlessly dumping trash into the water. One evening, a lump appeared in the dam's wall. They estimated the area they needed to cover using square tile units as they worked. They calculated the area by multiplying the length by the width. Their formula was area equals length times width. 5 miles times 3 miles equals 15 square tile units. This estimation helped them determine how many rocks they needed to repair the dam efficiently. 2. Write 3 to 5 sentences on how people can preserve and protect nature. First, we can keep our surroundings clean. Second, we should not throw trash in rivers and lakes. Third, we can plant more trees. Fourth, we should save water and electricity. Fifth, we can remind others to take care of nature. 3. Identify the mythical guardians and their challenge. Mythical guardians in the story, Bernardo and Maria. Their challenge, they must protect Wawa Dam, repair and strengthen it, stop people from throwing trash, and take care of nature for the future. Follow the steps to learn like a scientist and help protect our nature. 4. Then, gather materials and work together to repair and strengthen Wawa Dam. Teamwork and hard work make the dam strong again. Together, they get the job done. 5. Next, study their efforts to educate villagers about waste disposal. They teach people the right way to throw away trash. This helps keep the environment clean. 6. Then, observe how they repair the dam using measurements and calculations. They calculated the area, and used math to fix the dam. Smart and careful work. 7. After that, consider their actions to shield the dam from stone fragments. They protected the dam so it will not be damaged by falling stones. Protection keeps the dam strong and safe. These steps show they use science, hard work, and love for nature to protect Wawa Dam. Reread the story Guardian of Wawa Dam carefully. What specific scientific methods did Bernardo and Maria use? Answer: Bernardo and Maria used estimation and measurement to calculate the area of the dam and decide how many rocks to use. They also weaved a belt from tall grasses to protect the dam. Why is proper waste disposal crucial for environmental protection? Answer: Proper waste disposal is important because it prevents pollution and keeps the land and water clean, which helps the environment stay healthy. Look at the following sentences. They discovered villagers thoughtlessly dumping trash into the water. They greeted the villagers warmly with good morning. Notice that both examples answered the 5 W's and 1 H questions: who, what, when, where, how, and even if there is no specific time or place mentioned, and if it is written in the correct order, then the sentence is called declarative. Declarative sentences are statements that convey information or make assertions. Complete the following statements. I learned that by identifying the subject, who or what, the action, what they are doing, and additional details, when, where, or how, promotes comprehension and deeper understanding of sentence structure. I realized that the story's objects, activities, or natural events to science concepts shows how a natural phenomenon in the story. For example, if the story involves weather changes, explores meteorology concepts. I promise to try to write neatly and legibly. Analyzing declarative sentences. Analyze each sentence, then answering the following questions. Who, what? Who is involved? What are they doing? When, where, how? When did it happen? Where did it happen? How did they do it? They express their gratitude to the community, saying thank you for taking time to learn and help us in this important task. Who, what? They are expressing gratitude to the community. The action is the expression of gratitude. When, where, how? The specific time is not mentioned in this sentence. The action happens in a context where gratitude is being expressed verbally to the community. From that moment on, they promised to throw away their waste correctly. Who or what? They, unspecified group, promised to throw away waste correctly. When, where, how? The phrase from that moment on indicates it happened after a certain point in time. The location and methods are unspecified but imply a commitment to waste disposal in the future. Maria and Bernardo repaired it under the dark sky using magic and pushing, pulling, and carrying rocks. Who or what? Maria and Bernardo are involved in repairing something using magic and physical effort, pushing, pulling, carrying rocks. When, where, how? The action takes place under the dark sky, indicating nighttime or a dark setting. The repair was done using a combination of magical means and physical labor. Rearrange the words to form a declarative sentence. First, answer. Our family enjoys spending time together. Second, the flowers are blooming beautifully in the garden. Third, I finished my homework before dinner. Fourth, the dog barks at the mail carrier. Fifth, she loves reading stories every night.